welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about the power of reading. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. First step, we want to insert a picture. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We want to click the image and expand it with the command pressing simultaneously Ctrl-Shift and dragging it. In this way it will expand from both directions, right and left. Now we see that the image has very intense colors. To reduce the intensity of the image, we will place a rectangle that will cover it entirely, and we will use transparency. We go to Insert ribbon again, we choose Shapes, choose Rectangle, click in the design area from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide. We go to Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape, Outline, No Outline. Right click, Format, Shape. We go to Fill and we set the transparency at 82%. Now we will play with rectangles with rounded corners. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, we choose Rectangle with rounded corners, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape, Format, Size, Height, we put 18 cm, and if you have inches in your settings it's about 7.08 inches, and width 19 cm, and if you have inches in your settings it's about 7.48 inches. We rotate it by grabbing the circular arrow in the desired position and from the yellow dots here adjust the curve of the rounded rectangle. We go to Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, Shape, Outline, No Outline. Now we want to extend the sides so that there are no gaps at the edges of the slide. So with the help of the white dots, we extend the sides. We go to Shape, Effects. We choose Shadow, Outer, the third in a row. Then we copy and paste the rounded rectangle 2 more times. Right click copy, right click paste. We go to Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the color brown from the left side outside of the design area. And right click copy, right click paste. We choose Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we put it in the desired position. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose and click Text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Font Calibri as it is and size 36. Color we choose black as it is, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe the empowering journey unlocking the transformative power of reading. Close apostrophe. And then we will insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, we choose and click Text Box, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font as it is, size 20. And we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. We don't need to subtract the rectangles with rounded corners because the rest of the rounded rectangles won't be visible, only the part that will be on the slide. But if we want, we can cut it with the command subtract. Now that we are done with our design, we can add the animations. Before you start with the animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. First, we will group the image with a transparent rectangle, so that when we add the motion, they appear simultaneously. We choose the image. With Shift pressed, click the rectangle, the transparent rectangle. Right click, group, group. Click the image with the transparent rectangle. We go to Animations and Transfade. Start with Previews. Duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the first rounded rectangle, entrance wipe. Start after Previews. Duration 1. Effect options from bottom as it is. We go to the second rectangle, rounded rectangle, entrance wipe, start after previews, duration 1, effect options from top. We go to the third rounded rectangle, entrance wipe, start after previews, duration 1, effect options from bottom as it is. We go to the title, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. We go at the presenter's name, animations, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. Now we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!